Word problem example number 4. Emma read the first 95 pages of a book. Now this represents, or which was, 5 pages, more than 1/4 of the book. How many pages are in the entire book? Okay, so of course we need to create an equation out of this. We don't know the number of pages in this book. We need to find that out. Let's just say that's X. Okay, that's what we don't know. We start here with what we don't know. So what we know is Emma read 95 pages of the book. So let's just say 95. Now this, which was, okay, which was this, okay, this is represented by what? 5 pages more than. So 5 pages more than is plus sign 1/4 of the book. So 1/4 of X. Okay, so let me just again explain the equation. Emma read the first 95 pages of the book. That's 95, which was, then the 95 is represented by what? 5 pages. So that's 5 more than, that's a plus sign, 1/4 of the book. So X is the representation of the total number of pages in the book. So we just need to solve this. Of course, we need to remove the 5 and the 1/4, or the 4. So I want to remove 5. That means I will add the inverse of that on both sides. Whatever you do on the right, you do it on the left. So the 5 on the right cancels out. 95 plus -5 is 90 equals, so the 1/4 X, that's just 1 times X, okay, which is X over 4. Okay, so here what we will do is we will apply the multiplication property of equality, okay, or cross multiplication. You can do that. That's the shortcut. So we will multiply both sides by 4. And why is it 4? Because we want to eliminate the denominator 4 on the right side. So that cancels the 4. Now we only have X. 4 times 90 is 360. So that's the total number of pages in the entire book.